my natural beauties, what's up? Wagwan, welcome back to another video. So as you guys can see, y'all are up close and personal with me at the moment. Today I'm going to be doing like an Empress inspired type of everyday face. I really don't even know what to call this, but you know, I'll make up some title. Before we get into this video, guys, I'd really appreciate it if you show me some love. Thumbs up this video before it even gets started. Comment down below and do not forget to subscribe and turn on the post notifications, guys. I'm on my way to 100k. I'm trying to get there as soon as possible. So I'd really appreciate it if you guys also share this with somebody, at least one person. Tag at least one person. Just share this with at least one person.
Perfect. Perfect.
NaturallyMsToya, naturally, Ragamuffin for your job from Kingston, Jamaica, represent for the beautiful queen. You see me, I say, the more them fight, the more she gets stronger. Once she dead, the more she live longer. Take her for food and for cool. Yeah, Ragamuffin for your job. Say, oh, NaturallyMsToya, check out our page. She have so many things there for you to see. Ragamuffin for your job. Scotch. NaturallyMsToya.
Alright babes, so what we're gonna be doing first is moisturizing the face. I'm literally using minimal product for this video, but I haven't come on camera and talked to you guys like live-ish in a minute, so I decided to do it this way because I haven't done a tutorial in so long. I'm gonna prefer this, you know. Before I get too far into it, I'm just going to moisturize my lips because I've been very dehydrated lately because I'm not drinking enough water even though I'm staying inside. Don't ask me why, I'm gonna know. I'm using the classic chapstick. I guess this is the original one. It's 8-hour moisture. Don't pay any mind to my nails. I don't know where the inside, I don't know nobody not gonna nail tech, nothing like that. So in this video, I'm also gonna share with you guys how I do like a couple turban wraps. I don't wear turbans like that often, but if I did, these are some of the looks that I would rock. So you guys are gonna be seeing that later on in the video. For the routine now, I'm gonna be moisturizing my face with the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Moisturizing Body Oil. I showed you guys this in my my travel vlog when I went overseas. It was a part of my winter skincare routine. I'm gonna apply that everywhere where I should put it, and if I get dry after, I'll just reapply. My shoulders for sure, and this definitely makes your melanin pop, like moisturizes you like ultimate moisture. And I didn't put any lotion on, so I usually just like to do the rest of my body first, and then whatever is left on my hands I just use all over my face. Because I'm not going to be doing any foundation, like an actual foundation routine. I went ahead and did my edges before I started this video because of the turban part. Again, I will point out, guys, I will be featuring some nice songs in my videos. I want you guys to check out the artists. Their info will be down in the description bar below. Go ahead, click, check out the songs and share with a friend. But after I do that, I'm going to go in and fix my brows. So I'm just going to be using my spoolie and my pencil. I'll be doing a detailed actual brow routine real soon. So no harsh movements, just like lightly, just a little pressure, because since you're not going to be doing any foundation, you don't want to have your brows looking too strong and then like the rest of your face is like basically non-existent. So I just fill in the last part of my brow. It kind of gives the illusion that your brows are like done, but they're not. Just where the sparseness is right there. Oh, this light is mad bright, bro. I didn't do anything special, I just filled in the end part. That's it. For the rest of my face, I'm not going to be using a foundation. I want this to literally be like the most natural everyday type face ever. I'm going to be, however, going underneath my eyes to brighten them up a little bit, and I'm going to be using a mixture of the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Foundation Pro Matte in number 112, and I'm mixing that with number 9 Golden Caramel from Jamir Cosmetics, which is a 2-in-1 concealer and foundation. So I'm just like little bit. Of course, one is darker than one. One is a more earthy tone, closer to my complexion, and one is brighter. So what I do need is just to brighten up under here, and these, of course, again, are the 2 products that I'll be using to do that. So I just did a little mix like on my hand. I really don't want it too bright, so if I do it and it's too bright, I'm definitely gonna go back in and make it darker. But by the time you like blend this out, it's literally not even going to be existing. You guys see the difference? My bags are still there, obviously, but the darkness, it's not there. So that's what we're looking for. And I'm really glad that at this point I don't have my nails on, because we all know I would have dropped myself in on my eye. If I did have them on. You can do whatever motion you want for this part, drag, drop, whatever, as long as it's blended out and you're not looking all crazy, you're good. And if you have like a beauty blender, you can go in with that after you do this, but I don't know, I just wanted to make this as simple as possible, so I'm using as less tools as possible at this point. I'm literally just pressing that into my skin like this to blend it out, and that's what we have. Alright, so after that concealer work, I'm gonna go in with my powder, my actual shade, something on my brush, my actual shade, and I'm going to just put powder all over my face, including where I just put that concealer just now. And I'm not applying this powder for like coverage. I'm literally just applying it to kind of make everything just seem smoother, because the coverage I really don't even need. Now I'm really seeing how small my eyes are. Oh my god. Now we're gonna work on our eyes, and I'll be using 2 products for that. Well, 2 main products. I'm gonna be using this matte black shadow, but before I do that, I'm gonna line with this gel liner, and I forgot the brand, whatever brand this is, probably KleanKolor, one of them cheap branded. And I'm gonna be using this little mirror so that I can see what I'm doing, because I really don't want to mess this part up. So y'all be knowing I'm already blind in real life. And I kind of like when my eyeliner is like visible a little bit, so I am bringing it a little bit downward, and I'm lining the top as well, more of like a smudge than a line. Like I just need it to be smudged out a little bit. And I'm giving the liner like a little room, because I also will be putting lashes on. So I want the band of the lashes to be camouflage, just like I show you guys in my winter skincare makeup routine type section of my vlog. I'm gonna link that below, because I feel like a lot of people probably didn't watch it, not knowing that, you know, I featured that in there, but I'm gonna link it down below for you guys. And this kind of gives your eyes of more of a Medea type of look. Yeah, I'm gonna follow that up, of course, with the eyeliner, and this is just going to set that gel. I don't like being neat with this part, because it makes it look way more natural when it's not neat. For my mascara, I'm using the famous Great Lash from Maybelline, and I just need a little bit of straightening out, not even volume, because I think this is finished anyway. I just need my lashes to be blended out all the way, like this. This way, when I put my actual falsies on, like they won't be like stuck up under there somewhere. I'm using these from Love You Lashes, and these are my current favorite lashes. I think I already featured these also in that routine that I'm telling you guys about, but I'm using these lashes. You guys see the difference? Just a little oomph of volume. Like, it doesn't get any more natural than that. Woman, I need you like never before. African woman, you're the one I adore. I need you. So after I put my lashes on, I'm just gonna, you know, kind of dust away whatever fallout I would have had from whatever. So I'm kind of contemplating between this Melanin product right here. So Golden Light Spotlight Iron Face strobe light thing. Between that and my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, right? But what I'm gonna do is, I love golden bronze. Golden bronze from the ABH, that Glow Kit. I'm gonna use the Melanin one. I feel like, I don't know, I feel like that will make more sense at this. Ooh, we don't want to kill them now. We don't want to hurt them too much. Just a little bit of something to make this look like pop. You feel me? And using your finger to do this makes like way more sense for a look like this, at least. I'm gonna go back over this with my brush, guys, but for now, I just, you see that? That's what I need. A skin light glow. This is okay, I guess, but I'm just spotting it in places where I feel like it would look cute. I'm just blend it out. Just glowing up this melanin at the moment. Wherever I feel like it's doing too much, I just go back over with the brush. And, you know, that makes everything look skinny. I'm just gonna wipe my chapstick off. So I can see what's going on with my lips. So I have a very dramatic option here, which is a red lip. But these are for days when you're feeling like ultimately confident. But for today, I think I'm just gonna go with like a nude. It's like a nude, but I don't want like color. So I'm just spotting on some of this lippy. It's called Matte Naked, and it's by Sleek. And blending that out. And I'm gonna be using my favorite nude combo, which is the Jamir Cosmetics lip gloss in Passion with the Jamir liner in Cocoa. Guys, my nails look horrible. Do not judge me right now. Just going to line a little bit, like not a lot, I promise. I'm barely putting pressure on the pencil. And then Wally Paddy's Wally, I'm kidding. Yeah, that's enough. I really don't want to overdo this look. because this is what I'm really going for, like simple, I don't have anything on type of thing. Just the eyes, the focus is on the eyes. What I like to do to make sure my brows have a bit more impact is go in with the angled brush that I was using for my liner and just kind of define the arch area and tail area of my brow. See that? But you have to do like really light presses because it's black under and you don't want to have that harsh looking brow with a practically bare face, because that will not be cute. But it just gives the brow like a little bit more definition toward the end. And even this one looks a little bit too defined. Hold on. Yeah, there we go. Alright guys, so I have a couple turban looks for you guys. All I did was I picked up a couple pieces of fabric from my local fabric store, different measurements of them. This one right here is my current favorite, which is the snake print. Oh my god, it is so fire. I'm just going to freestyle these turban looks, and hopefully they come out cute, and you guys can just let me know which one you like. And yeah, stay tuned. But in the meantime, enjoy some fire tracks that I'll be featuring in this video. Once again, I will tell you the links for these tracks will be down below in the description bar. Check out these artists, they are amazing and they do deserve way more credit. So click the links down below, check out the tracks and follow them on social media as well. Also, the name of the tracks will be featured at the bottom of the screen when the songs come up, alright? So let's go.
I just want to say God has been good to me, and I cannot complain, no. Your love remains the same. More smiles, more life. Give thanks every time. From my eyes and my eyes them open, my rich brother all when me do have a time. So you know, so me not them the light, and I believe in a stage fright. Go in the face them appear and ask why I'm here. Tell them I top-rated for life. Anytime I touch on the road, say I pray for sure, cause you know how it go. Man, I feel work with the flow, every beat that we sow as the star of the show. Can't just look for more blessings and neglect the ones that we invest in. I know used to wish then for what we have now. Used to pray then, now we are pray more, be thankful. Oh, I just want to say God has been good to me, and I cannot complain, no. Your love remains the same. In time, it all a gonna make sense. Stay focused on the grind. Let the world catch up, watch out them a go start forward as soon as the glory pick up on the mic. Now watch that, me always keep my eye on the prize. You can ask anybody when know me. Could I me on Snapchat that no capture all the different sacrifices to the story. Feel like me under scrutiny. Wanted for them many different shoot me give, but them no want that, they want me be a fugitive, so them can live vicarious through me. No cave, them fake, them can't fool me. More truth, more clarity. The narrative of it eliminate poverty. Entirely me touch the stage with a reach. We make a change, I make a change. Father God still there beside me. I mean I know the way for me go. One thing is for sure is that Judge I know. Man I feel work with the flow. Every reap that we sow as the star of the show. Can't just look for more blessings and neglect the ones that we invest in. I know used to wish then for what we have now. Used to pray then now we I pray more. When we don't know the way for we go. One thing is for sure is that Judge I know. Man I feel work with the flow. Him alone me follow as the star of the show. Can't just look for more blessings and neglect the ones that we invest in. I know we used to wish then for what we have now. Used to pray then now we I pray more. Be thankful. Oh, I I just want to say, God has been good to me, and I cannot complain. Your love remains the same. More smiles, more life. Give thanks every time. More smiles, more life. Give thanks every time. TopRated. More smiles, more life. Give thanks every time. I just want to say, God has been good to me, and I cannot complain. Your love remains the same.
Alright guys, so this is the final turban look, and I'd be lying if I said these looks were easy to do because I don't have any experience wrapping turbans at all. So they are pretty easy, but when you know what you're doing, they're like 10 times easier. But I think they came out great. This one is probably contesting with the snakeskin one for my favorite. Not really sure how many looks came up in the total number, but I ended up having to switch cameras because my other phone died. So there you go. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I love you. Give me a thumbs up. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Drop me a comment down below as well. Subscribe. Marla said subscribe, guys. I'll see you in the next one. So until next time, kiss like this. Okay. And this too. Okay. What else? What about this? She knows everything that I do in all my videos, guys. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one, yes? See you next time. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye. See you guys in the next one. Bye. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful.
Wanted for them in a different shoot.